Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Brendan and welcome back to the channel. And today I want to talk about Bitcoin hitting a brand new all-time high of $65,000 because after today's price action, Bitcoin is looking incredibly bullish. I want to break this down because what was previously our all-time high is now the current support level for Bitcoin, and we're already seeing a beautiful bounce off of this area along with the 50 EMA. So if that sounds interesting at all, I'm going to give a price prediction for Bitcoin and explain why I think Bitcoin will continue to be bullish in this video. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into this, and if any of that sounds interesting, make sure you guys stick around for the entire length of the video, as there will be important information discussed the entire way through. But nonetheless, let's get into this. Now, I want to talk about this previous all-time high on Bitcoin, which was right around $61,500, because what was previously our all-time high is now our current support for Bitcoin. In fact, if we want to map this out, we can see this. Now, on top of this, we have this 50 EMA on this 4-hour time scale being used as support, and we can see the psychological level of $65,000 acting as resistance. Now, once again, guys, this has been a continued path. We called this, we talked about this in the previous videos about Bitcoin essentially just bull flagging, or bull pulling up, bull flagging down, bull pulling up, bull flagging down, and then just repeating this process over and over again. And it was forming this almost ascending triangle-like maneuver. Now, with this being a break, hook, and go, if Bitcoin decides to hold this level and use this as a break, hook, and go, this could just be the start of something huge for Bitcoin, because the measured move would at least bring this thing, in my opinion, towards the mid $70,000 area, if not even potentially higher. Now, I want to go ahead and move over to the one-day time scale to talk about just about the only bearish thing that I see on Bitcoin, and since then it looks like it's going to get discredited. So, for fair use, I think that if we want to look at this from a daily's perspective, there is a form of triple bearish divergence right here on the MACD, and we're also seeing something very, very similar on this RSI, with not one, but 2, 3, and what could potentially be 4 consistent lower swing highs on this relative strength index. Now, if this gets discredited, again, I think that this could be the most bullish case argument for Bitcoin possible. The fact that there was an ascending triangle breakout, a new all-time high, the same pattern that we've used for the entirety of 2021 being consistently bullish. And if this gets discredited, that's going to show just how much strength are in favor of the bulls at this level. Again, we talked about the volume squeeze that was happening, and now the volume's starting to ramp up again, which is nothing to be, I guess, nothing too surprising, because if we're having a breakout to a new all-time high, it's most likely that there's going to be volume in the mix of this. Now, we can already see that this daily candle of what we saw ourselves retracing of almost 10% today is already being bought back up on Bitcoin. So this candle action that we were already seeing of selling is already being bought back up, and so what this tells me is that buyers are comfortable buying Bitcoin at this all-time high of $64,000, and what was previously that all-time high. They're very comfortable buying in this level because they have the expectation that it's going to go higher. Now, obviously, none of this is legal, financial, or tax advice in any way. But again, I think that there is a lot of argument for Bitcoin at this level, that there is bullish stuff happening and that there might be a lot more bullish stuff to come. So again, I'm keeping my eye towards the mid $70,000 area for Bitcoins, around 75, 76, maybe even $77,000 for Bitcoin for the immediate price target. That's not to say that we can't retrace back down to this 50 EMA, which we have held. Again, I want to zoom out here and just kind of show this, which we have held for the entirety of 2021 so far. So again, it's very possible that we come back to one of the many support levels that Bitcoin has. If we want to extend this guy out, it could be maybe the upper levels of the 50 zone, could even be the mid levels of the 50. Tons of support on here. We're already seeing bounces from the first minor support that we have on Bitcoin, so we still have a lot of major ones below that. So that's going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. We talked very fast. We packed a lot of information into this one, but I put out a lot of videos like this one, so if you did enjoy it and want to see more content like this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and throw a comment in the comment section down below so I can know your guys' thoughts on Bitcoin and we can have a conversation about it. I love being able to interact with you guys down there, so I look forward to commenting and joining all of you in the conversation. If you guys want to join the Discord, there's a free link to that in the description down below, and I'll flash that up at the end of this video as well. Once again, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.